Atamiti okelo ebeti akeriti kede agiriti ay kamunyo osawalo agolo regesi e mata konye abuko raun bere ay chericheranar tori amata ka kerelu oba adakuna bua kede ajalakini e matet
mwalimu lo opone joko na atamu ya apone yala mi apone jawu ngesa jawu kope mwalimu so jawu ngesa kope mwalimu e dauta ngire sabite do pe bon angola ta angola ngito sabite do pe kira nyona wasa osemero mamba bo ngunuda tutupaka tama ngita kin akeboli boy kin so meeting apoda kaka na mwalimu la just bay otamra bere sidwe dolu atukota na mijara ta jala kin nare duwe jala kaya tukure jiosi ikota inare mame mwalimu akelo je mwalimu la joko tapugari na le nyamero piti lo madira ngesi bisokelo
allo pete kamule na gwela nari Esther acham nyesabu itigogo ngebe edolito kelo oba agiara woro unikopo ni yare tupuruj osawan yare katutubet
buting eslepeta iskani yara kala artubet
neba
ugera ile bibi making a John koponi yare mara making a tide ngobe mama tide moya ya inatuni kwenye mskani ngera sana
Apolone somero omadira arapa e primary ekwam arego eriakumere nyesabale apotu kesi idiautu konyo kele lopete ko waike nyesabu ko cham ebe ikamunita nyesi e masa jono ido ebe apotu engare no kulue somero ko girito nyesi osomero kech
ajaingo osapalika aloste television dodo e boda lo au patari ngesa bala bidare kibere ai unyakuna epikipiki e boy kino sibero ni ne amata sibere ajainga alose television dodo kwani boyeso opote bodesu ai bunyu ngo abala ngobe inyo batio desi
konye Apolokiniton no aisisha party emokor lo aponi komera okelo kede atido na ajon akonyeneke ngesabu isumun ebe elosi Oyapies ke ayangaro kelo atere ikini abongono kine komiti lo itisila narere esomaka pugan lu epali
on and off, but we got that information. But also in summary, your write-up is with me. I got your write-up. In summary, you were saying the teacher is a problem, you don't want that teacher again, and that's why I have relocated him. That's why I'm asking him, after even relocating, what did you want again there? He's actually supposed to go to Owale. And this morning I was calling Owale, the head teacher. Has the new teacher come? No.
I went.
Omadira Arapa, you went and signed first day, disappeared. We have taken you to Owale, you went and signed. Today you are not there. So he told me you were not there, and shortly I got a call. You were busy celebrating. So I am saying, in short, because of this, we have been compiling this. First of all, that long time is spent on the way instead of helping children from the other side. I gave a report to town clerk, and we had to stop his salary.
As you said.
Yes, yeah, we had to stop his salary because there is nobody to be paid without work.
Kanwa TV East Tolbert Edaiti Obalo Osimiling Arapai Oibuga Kalo Osoroti